What's up guys, it's Truss, and I'm going to record another video right now about how I use the Trello app to stay organized in my own personal life. So I'm not going to get into necessarily how you would use this for a group project, but really just describe my own personal use cases. And in this case I have 4 boards that I have starred because I use them all the time. So the first one right here is this Trello video series board that I use to organize this video series, right? So uh, I've got basically bullet points of all the stuff that I want to talk about here. But what's important is I've got these 3 lists: planning, in progress, and finishing touches. So this is a common design that I use. Uh, like if you're doing some sort of work stuff, you're probably going to have more columns, but for personal stuff, this is simple enough and fine. And really the idea is when I create a new task, it's in planning, I'm still trying to flesh it out, then I'm moving it from left to right on my screen as I get work done. And then when I'm basically done with something, I'm going to hit this archive button to get rid of it. And again, archiving, you can get it back, which is really nice, as opposed to like literally throwing a post-it note in the trash and then you don't want to dig through the trash for it. But yeah, that's the basic design philosophy, and you're going to see that in my home maintenance board. Again, the difference here is I have this templates column. The reason I did this is because each of my cleaning tasks, I try to clean like an area of my apartment every month, and it's always the same, right? I've got like the same 5, 7, whatever things to clean, and I don't need to type them up each time. I don't need to waste brain power trying to remember what I'm doing. So instead, I have these templates, and when I want to do another cleaning task this month, I'll either create card from template or I'll hit copy. And yeah, clean bathroom. Let's do it again in December. And yeah, let's move it to our planning queue, and we would have another card to clean our bathroom in December. So yeah, as you can see here, I'm almost done cleaning my bedroom and living room, and I got started on cleaning my bathroom, which is my goal for September. And this is a really good way for me to keep track of what I'm trying to do with my cleaning stuff. Okay, let's move on to my World of Warcraft board and my gaming workspace. So the idea here is if you've never played World of Warcraft, you've got a bunch of characters, you're leveling them up, you're trying to get better gear, you're killing monsters, you're doing dungeons with your friends, whatever. As you get gear, it's kind of a pain to keep track of everything, and you don't want to be like in the middle of a dungeon with your friends and you're like, hey, hold on, I need to figure out whether this cape is an upgrade for me. So instead, what you do is you do all your research beforehand, make a big wish list of all the gear you want, uh, from best to worst, and yeah, that way, when I'm in a dungeon, something drops, I can look at my Trello board at a glance, figure out whether I need this, what it's better than, what enchant I would want for it, things like that. So that just speeds up my gameplay experience and takes a lot of the complication out of trying to figure out, oh, do I need this? What do I do? It's all there. All right. And finally, my food board. So with this, I just went grocery shopping the other day. So pretty much you see a lot of orange glow or whatever on these checklists because maybe it's green. I don't know. I'm colorblind, whatever. But yeah, uh, when you fill out your checklist, it's going to have this lovely glow here. Uh, and yeah, so I have everything sort of grouped up by, different types of food that I like to eat and make. And what's really convenient here about making my shopping lists on Trello is that I'm a fast typer, but I'm slow on my phone. So I type up all the stuff that I want here on the computer. Then I go over to the refrigerator and pop open the app on my phone, uncheck what I need for this week, and then I head to the grocery store and I still have it all on my phone, so I check everything off. And yeah, I've got my shopping list in two places, one where I can type real quick and make edits, and one where I can just, check the boxes and be really efficient that way. So yeah, these are the 4 use cases that I've found for using Trello in my own personal life, and I hope that uh, gets you to start thinking about how you can use an app like this to be more productive in your personal life, in your group projects, things like that. Okay, that's going to be the end of my Trello video series, at least for now. Thanks for watching. Peace out.